Mga kabeshiwak.
Mga kabeshiwak.
Ay mga kabeshiwak, nandito kami sa
kabeshiwak.
TJ Maxx. This is so cute.
Oh. $8.
Oh, ang cute din ito. Oh.
Cute oh.
This is only $5.
Oh, how about this one? Oh. This is Hello Kitty. Look at that. $13. So cute. And $6. Oh, ang cute nila oh. This one is $8. Look at this. Cute. Kano to? Oh, $10. How about this one? Cute. Look at this one. OMG, I like this one. How much this one? This is $15. Oh, I'm so in love. Nailab ako sa mga design ng kanilang mga mug. This is $8. Cherry. This is so cute. $12.99. $10. And look at this. Cutie patootie. This is $15. $13. Look at that. So cute. This is $10. Look at ng mga ano nila. Hot cocoa. Wow. Look at this. $7. I like this. So cute. This is so cute. Look at this one.
Calendar.
This is $60.
Something, you know, the buggy wheels every time we turn around.
Look at this. 40.
This is so cute.
I like this. This is $14. How about this one? This is so cute. $17. Oh. $15. $39.
Ang ganda nito. Oh. Look at that.
$19. OMG. Look at that. I like that. May battery siya oh. $15. $7. This is $17. So cute. This is $24. This is so cute. So cute. $10. And this one $12. So cute. We have a lot of stuff here for Christmas. Ayan oh, ang dami-dami ito. I like this one. This is so cute. I'm wondering how much this one. Oh, this is $30. $24. And this one is $20. A lot of stuff here, huh? Look. And this side, this is $17. OMG. I like the stings. Real touch. Oh, really? This is real touch. How much? This is $50.
Mga kabeshiwak. Ang laki ng baso.
So ayan mga kabeshiwak, mag-check out na tayo. So damit panlamig lang sana yung purpose namin dito, pero mas na-inlove ako sa mga gamit sa bahay, ganun. Hindi ko alam bakit mas nai-inlove ako ngayon sa mga gamit sa bahay, kaysa mga ibang bagay, ganun. Ganyan din ba kayo mga kabeshiwak? So hanggang dito na lamang ang ating TJ Maxx journey mga kabeshiwak, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo. So see you on my next one. Bye!